Hey traders, how's it going? J9 here, Math Dollars. Wanted to go ahead and do a quick midday review of today's trades. There were some good trades today, some good analysis. You guys can see the review on the morning analysis on the chart here. We have this pulled up for you guys. There's a lot of action today, surprisingly for Friday on low volume into a 3-day weekend. Goes to show that if you stay around in the markets long enough, you'll find unique opportunity anywhere, and if you have the right analysis with the right tools. So we wanted to go over today's analysis, go over our midday trade we did today. We had a lot of patience out of the open. There was not much going on. We didn't really want to push it. We expected a volatile premium kill day, given that it is a Friday. Yes, we know it's Thursday, but Friday for the markets. We have a 3-day weekend coming up. So we wanted to go ahead and see what today would bring as far in the way of possibilities. So we started the morning nice and early with SPY range today, 414, posted at 7:30 in the morning. It's Mountain Standard Time. So good morning, traders. SPY over the night futures, E-minis continue to dry push. Dry push meaning low volume. This was that yesterday move. I'll show you guys here on screen. So this move here, this elevated move, that's a dry push on light volume. You guys can see the volume here declining. Dry push. Oh, get rid of that. There we go. So that dry push on low volume is quite normal, especially on a day like yesterday. We had a big level, big pocket. If you followed yesterday's TikTok video, you'll see that, or I'm sorry, a day prior TikTok video, you'll see we were expecting this dump to happen into this pocket, fill this pocket, and then we were going to see whether we reverted back in the other direction to the upper end of the pocket, or we were going to fail through. But yesterday we had that strong push on light volume. Let's go ahead and continue on with today's analysis. So we had in the overnight session, then after printing 4447, this is the E-mini. For the third time, price retreated in the overnight hours, bringing the range back, bringing the pocket back into range. This tells us that there was not enough overnight institutional participation or dressing. Dressing meaning, so there's entities that push indices up or down on relatively low amount of capital in the overnight hours. So you'll see gaps up or down or on key levels. And we have this very key 44309. So we were expecting a gap up, which we got, and that to continue and hold and push. Did not push, so what happens? We go into the day's analysis. SPY range today is 44104 to 44309, which is tighter than the recent range, and hence we could be in for a larger move. Could be is the key word. SPY bulls today are simply looking for follow through to yesterday's action, and as they put a stake in the ground, they are seeking new highs in the weeks to come. This starts by being able to hold key levels each and every day moving forward. Today's SPY bulls will be seeking to get the first, pay attention here, the first two 10-minute closes above 44309. This would have sparked that rally we were discussing, which will open the door for 60-minute closes above 44309. If SPY bulls can get a 60-minute close above 44309, then that will open the pocket above to where? 44762, right here, this white line. But no, we went with the SPY bearish trends. SPY bearish today would be looking to get price below 44104. One moment, guys. One moment. All right, SPY Bears had a phone call there. SPY Bears today will be looking to get a price below 44104 is their primary goal, and keep this slow bleed of volatility coming in for the coming weeks. This will come only by not losing control over the underlying market mechanics. This will come by way of a whack-a-mole, meaning where every time price jumps, like gaps up, we get news that you get one big candle, green candle goes up, you go up for 2-3 days. That's the whack-a-mole. Every time price jumps up, it gets smacked down. Today's SPY bears will be looking to close 15-minute candles below 44104, which will open the lower pocket again back down to where? 43713. But bears need to keep price below 441 in order for this to in order to achieve this. Otherwise, they will lose the fight quickly. And Spy Bears closing 10-minute candle below 437.13 opens the door for 60-minute candle below 435.71 to become a reality. Well, let's go ahead and pull that up on the chart and see what that looks like. What do we have today? Go ahead and go to the first two 10-minute closes. So I'll pull that up here for you guys. Vertical line here to the right is today's action. So we had the first 10-minute close above. Then us here in the group at J9, we were watching here in our Discord group. Yeah, very active chat room with a lot of members. What we have here is, oh, that did not pop up on screen for you guys. There we go. So here is the Discord group, active members in here. This is the analysis. Let's go back to the chart here. What we were looking for, 10-minute closes below, two 10-minute closes below. One here. Here is the second one. Had this 10-minute closed above, we would have been more in the bull case for a upper range pocket move. But no, where did we go to? Close below. We started to look for a short here. Did not quite get the entry. I was looking for a pop up above this 44309 and then failed. So on this spike, didn't quite get the short entry here. So we missed that, but point being that the two analysis right here of the two 10-minute closes was the accurate move. Push down below, where to where? Right to the bottom of range, 44104. So we waited for that to fail. On the retrace here, we ended up catching a short. We had a stop just above the key level here. I don't have the number up on this screen, but it was 44270 something. So we got stopped out just about as this yellow bar. This is our signal for our indicator for members. Indicator came in that we had potential to go long. So we went ahead and stopped out after de-risking the position a bit on this drop here. Cut down to half position size just in case we did get a move up since we were at the bottom of the range on the day. Then our indicator came in saying we have a potential for a move higher. What did that tell us? All right, we went ahead and stopped out there on the rest of the position. Let this bleed and drop down. As this was bleeding, go ahead and pull that up for you guys. As this was bleeding right here, you can see that we started to look for longs. Where'd that go? Right here, long ES. So started talking to the members about how we're looking at this current move, right? We didn't see Tesla going down, didn't see Apple going down, other market indices. Oil wasn't going up, the dollar wasn't going up. So we're like, we're going to get a reversion move here soon. So we decided to go long on this secondary signal here. We trade the ES mainly, so the secondary yellow bar. This does come with more to it, but just for ease of the video, this is what we have up right now. But if we were to put the whole signals up, this is what it would look like. See, so it gives you a proper target if you're trading the SPY. So here's your long signal. Let's go ahead and get that out of here. Back to the way it was. So our indicator tells us the yellow bar when to go, and we were trading the ES. Oh, we are not on screen. There we go. Yellow bar here tells us when to go, when the best possible chance for a market to go higher, which we have here after a bleed lower. Right, this bleed lower doesn't really tell us. It's not a fail. It's not a real move lower. There was no elevated volume. We were going to get a reversion at a key point in time. This tells us when that is. So we go ahead and switch over to our E-mini chart, which is what we trade. Here's the E-mini chart. We have our long signal here. See the same yellow bar, another yellow bar. Using this in sequences is what we use. We wait, get the first push, wait for a pullback. Automatically, the trailing stop sets in. We went long here on this candle and just let it be. Let the trailing stop go. We ended up exiting here at the long exit where you can see. So we did not catch the entirety of the move. We left a little bit on the table, but you can see the accuracy of how all this stuff works. Easy indicators to follow. These are provided to our members for those that are willing to use it. And other than that, it was a great day, great way to end the week. Lots of opportunity in these markets, lots of things going on. Come on in, join us if you want to find out more, how to get the indicators, join the group. All the links are in the description. Don't be shy, come on in, say hi, comment on this video, like the video, subscribe. We'll start doing more and more of these throughout the day. midday, and end of week recaps is what we're aiming for. So other than that, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.